This is a beautiful dialogue from the 1959 film Anadi, which was directed by Rishikesh Mukherjee. One thing I must mention about Rishikesh Mukherjee before going forward, and that is the fact that he is the only director who managed to rise above the camps that exist in Bollywood. So there was a Devanand camp, there was a Dilip Kumar camp, and there was a Raj Kapoor camp. And the entire set of people were different. So Mukesh rarely sang for Dilip Kumar in the later part, and Rafi rarely sang for Raj Kapoor in the later part. He might have sung in the earlier part. And therefore, they were all divided into camps. But this was one director who had no camps. He was just outstanding. So Raj Kapoor had a film with him, Devanand had a film with him, and Dilip Kumar had a film with him almost at the same time. It's not as if he started with Devanand then moved on to Dilip Kumar. No. So when he was making Asli Nakli, he was making Musafir, he was making this film also, Anadi. So this is the 1959 film Anadi. And I generally feel that Raj Kapoor is a very terrible actor. I mean, मैं तो करता हूँ जी kind of thing probably worked in the 50s in India. I don't know why it worked in the 50s. I suddenly have a very little respect for people of that era. They are the same people who come and tell you, हमारे ज़माने में. I mean, you actually like that kind of acting? हमारे ज़माने में तो जी, terrible acting. But it was redeemed by Nutan and, more importantly, Motilal. What an actor. What an actor. If you want to see that guy's natural acting at its peak, watch a 1960 film called Parak. This film also came around the same time. I think he was at the peak of his histrionic abilities, but he was outstanding. There was no over-the-top histrionics. And I think it was because of actors like Motilal and Nutan that cinema of that time is still watchable to a certain extent. Otherwise, most of the people are over the top. अरे जी दाल में छिपकली गिर गई है जी, दाल फेंक दूं जी. What is this? I'm terrible. So anyway, this dialogue is by Motilal, thankfully, not by Raj Kapoor. Although there are some great dialogues. Raj Kapoor was an excellent HR guy. Excellent HR guy. Look at the team he put together. Whether it was writers, cinematographers, singers, music directors. Everybody, he got the best of the talent. Great HR manager. But terrible actor. Terrible actor. Anyway, coming back to the point. So this is the scene. It's almost a 3-hour film, a 2-hour 50 minutes odd film, Anadi, and you'll find it freely available on YouTube. You can also see it on various OTT platforms. So Raj Kapoor is a poor guy who's come to the city and he's put up with Mrs. Disa, which character is played by Lalita Pawar, and he's just roaming around on the streets looking for a job. Suddenly a car comes and crashes onto him. Almost crashes onto him. Why it crashes onto him, I'll tell you in a while. A very enraged Motilal, who owns that very luxurious car, comes out and says, "Where are your other mates? You seem to be a gang of people. And isn't it this your strategy that you'll come and fall in front of a car and then try to extort money?" Imagine this was happening in 1959 as well. People say, "अरे आज कल का ज़माना तो लोग चोर हो गए." उस ज़माने में भी चोर थे, उससे 50 साल पहले भी चोर थे. तो चोर हमेशा हर ज़माने में रहे हैं. And if your grandfather tells you these things, refer to this dialogue from Anadi. So he says, मैं क्यों आपकी मौत आपका एहसान लूँ, मैं तो अपनी मौत मरूंगा. Typical Raj Kapoor dialogues, irritating, cloying kind of dialogues. By the way, the dialogues are written by Inder Raj Anand, not very often featured on this blog of mine, which I've been writing for 20 years. But this one is outstanding. Outstanding. I'll tell you why in a while. So he says, अपनी मोटर की बत्ती ऑन कीजिए, मेरे को 50 पैसे ढूंढने, मेरे को अपनी अठन्नी ढूंढनी है. तो कहता है अठन्नी. So he says, या अठन्नी ढूंढनी है क्योंकि मेरी अठन्नी खो गई और I need to eat my dinner. So he tries to give him money, but he refuses. He says, मैं भीख नहीं मांगूंगा. He said, चलो मेरे साथ शान महल होटल जा रहा हूँ. शान महल is a take on Taj Mahal. They call it Shan Mahal in the film. And he says, chalo, I don't know, in 1959 in Mumbai, there might be a Shan Mahal hotel, but I have no idea. Or was it a take on Taj Mahal? But the name in the film is Shan Mahal. He says, nahi, I don't want to take your ehsan. I don't want to take any favors from you. So when he leaves with his car, his wallet falls down. And he shouts after him, your wallet has fallen down. But at that time, 4 goons were sitting nearby. They try to take that wallet away from him. He fights them and somehow he reaches that hotel, Shan Mahal, to return it. There are other things in between, I'll cut it off. Most important thing is the dialogue. And when he reaches there, the Pathan guard there stops him. And he says, "Mujhe ji batua dena hai ji." And he just opens the batua. And the moment he sees the notes inside, the Pathan guard starts saluting him repeatedly. So finally, he manages to find, that is Motilal. He manages to find him. And he asks him to sit. He says, "तुम जानते हो इस बटुए में कितने रुपए हैं?" And Raj Kapoor in his typical style says, "बहुत रुपए हैं जी." Motilal says, "और तुम ये मुझे वापस करने आए हो?" "जी हाँ," says Raj Kapoor. So Motilal sniggers. "तब तो तुम बिल्कुल अनाड़ी हो. देखिए इस बटुए के लिए आज लॉर्ड के सामने मेरी बेइज्जती हो गई." That's a reference to a scene with Mrs. Deesa in between. She is the one who forces him to go and return the wallet immediately. "और आप मुझे अनाड़ी कहते हैं?" So Motilal says, "Okay, don't get worked up, sit down." देखते हो ये रंगीन ज़िंदगी, हीरे मोती जवाहरात से लदी हुई ये औरतें, भड़कीले कह कहे लगाने वाले ये मर्द, ये लोग सब कौन हैं? Raj Kapoor says, "मुझे नहीं मालूम जी." I hope he wasn't there in this scene, but can't help it. The scene is all about Motilal. And now comes the classic line written by Inder Raj Anand. If you want the timestamp, 47 minutes and 35 seconds into the movie. ये वो लोग हैं जिन्हें सड़कों पर बटुए मिले और उन्होंने लौटाए नहीं. I repeat it. ये वो लोग हैं जिन्हें सड़कों पर बटुए मिले और उन्होंने लौटाए नहीं. What a line. This kind of climate of opinion is a term that we use. Mahal, we say. So imagine in the 50s, the entire country had this mahal, this climate of opinion, that people who had money were thieves, they were thugs, they were not good people. As he puts it succinctly, Motilal in his very natural acting style, ये वो लोग हैं जिन्हें सड़कों पर बटुए मिले और उन्होंने लौटाए नहीं. Beautiful line. Captures the zeitgeist, the climate of opinion in the 50s and even in the 60s. Inder Raj Anand, 47 minutes and 35 seconds. I can't excise Raj Kapoor out of this scene. He is there. He's terrible. He's terrible. He's fat. By 59, he's already become fat. He doesn't fit the role of an unemployed, berozgar, garib yatim. In Sri 420 Awara, he looked like the part. But not in this. Terrible casting. I mean, I would never have cast him. And his acting is terrible. I just don't understand why people extol Raj Kapoor all the time. I mean, there were great actors like Motilal who deserved so much more. Anyway, enough of my ranting. This has become a long vlog. So I'll repeat the line once again. ये वो लोग हैं जिन्हें सड़कों पर बटुए मिले और उन्होंने लौटाए नहीं.